3WP TV. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video on an Everlast Typhoon 330. But before we unbox it, I'd like to say something about the company. I own multiple Everlast machines. I'm not sponsored, I paid full price for them. Happy to do so because of their customer service. The machines are amazing, but it's the customer service for me. This video is not for everybody, but for those of you that are beginner welders, pro welders, or hobbyists, customer service is important. Having a good product is one thing, but being able to find a company that stands behind the product means a lot to me in particular. So let's get to the unboxing part of this video. The box is pretty heavy, but let's see what's in the box. Everlast shipping was super fast. They were not messing around getting this out to me. So first up, we would have looks like you have an air-cooled torch and some consumables. Water-cooled torch and some consumables. You have a top handle, Nova pedal, gas line. I would assume this is for probably the water cooler. I didn't get the water cooler yet. I also own the MTS Lightning 275, and I thought that I would be able to use the same water cooler, but it is 3 times the size of the welder. You have your brass regulator. Pretty nice. The ground clamp is a lot beefier than, like on the Lightning series, the ground clamp is just your standard inexpensive clamp. This one is more like the one that I use in our industry. And then the stick lead is beefier than the one that came with the Lightning 275. Hopefully I won't have to ever deal with this, but you never know. Okay. Now we got that situated. We have the machine. Alright, one too many cupcakes. This must feel heavy. Okay. So it comes with a 6-foot cable. You would have to provide your own end. Obviously in the commercial aspect, everyone uses a different plug. I'll be using a 3050 3 blade. It's very well packaged. So there it is. I believe they said it's a 5.1 screen Typhoon 330. I'll be making a video of going through the setup at a later date, but I'm gonna have to do some research and read and learn myself all the things it's done. I haven't seen too many videos online about the machine. I've seen the Jesse McCollum videos about it, about the 230, and I'm sure the features are pretty much the same with a lot more oomph. So, thank you. Again, this is 3WP TV. We'll come back with, I'll wire the plugs in, and we'll do some welding with it. And again, I'd like to say thank you to Everlast for treating me like a person. That to me goes a long ways. I'm not sponsored. Again, I haven't received any of these machines on discount. And for me, I'm more than happy to pay the price, because every time I've called, I spoke with a person and someone was always willing to take care of my issues. And there's hundreds of thousands of customers. If you do the math and you look at other machines, I'm not saying any machine is better than the next. I'm just saying that so far my customer service has been great. Thank you for watching.